Hi students, 12th standard accountancy, chapter 2, exercise sum number 7. From the following receipt and payment account, prepare income and expenditure account of Kumbakonam Basketball Association for the year ended 31st March 2018. They have given here receipt and payment account for the Kumbakonam Basketball Association. So what we have to do? We are going to prepare income and expenditure account for the given receipt and payment account. Okay. So let's read the given information, that is to balance brought down, cash in hand, cash at bank will not appear on income and expenditure account because we are going to prepare the revenue receipt and revenue payment. Revenue receipt and revenue expenditure. Okay, this is the cash receipt and cash payment will not appear on revenue receipt and revenue payment. Okay, then rent of hall received is a income item, then subscription received is the income item. Life membership fees will not appear on the income and expenditure, revenue income and revenue expenditure account. Why? Because as per the format of revenue receipt and revenue expenditure, life membership fees is the capital receipt. So capital receipt will not appear on revenue receipt and revenue expenditure account. So it will not appear. So life membership fees is the capital receipt. It will not appear on revenue receipt and revenue expenditure. Locker rent received is the income, and rent of ground paid is the expenditure, and printing charges is the revenue expenditure. It's an recurring nature. Okay, bank charges is the expenditure, insurance of a building is the expenditure, and tournament expenses, it's an expenditure, revenue expenditure. Then audit fees is an expenditure. Sports material purchased, listen carefully, listen. Sports material, purchases of sports material like balls, bats, nets, etc. are consumable item. It will be appear on revenue expenditure. Okay, so sports material is purchases is a consumable item. It will be appear on revenue expenditure. Then balance carried down, closing balance of cash in hand, cash at bank will not appear on revenue income because it will not appear on revenue income. Okay, then now we are going to prepare the income and expenditure account. First we have to write the heading, that is in the books of Kumbakonam Basketball Association income and expenditure accounts for the year ended 31st March 2018. The format of the income and expenditure is left hand side debtor expenditure rupees and right hand side creditor income rupees. Okay, we already marked in the question what are the items will be appear on expenditure account and what are the items will be appear on income side. Okay, as per the format we have to enter it on first expenditure side. We always started with the word to on debit side. Rent of ground, to printing charges, to bank charges and tournament expenses, audit fees, to sports material purchases, to insurance for building. And on income side we have to write by rent of hall received, by subscription received, locker rent received. Then we will get the total on debit side 43,000. Okay, then after we have to add this credit side amount, and from the credit side amount, total amount, we have to subtract it 43,000. You will get the difference value. Balancing figure is 26,000 rupees. Okay, so you have to write, if you get the total on debit side, on credit side you will get the deficit. By deficit 26,000, within the bracket you have to write excess of expenditure over income. Please comment it in my comment box. Thank you. Take care. Please subscribe my channel.